How to fix COD Modern Warfare 2 flickering and white screen issue. 1. Check system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Verify integrity of game files. 2.1. In Steam Launcher, 2.2 in Battle.net. Launcher. 3. Increase display refresh rate. 4. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B. Install an old driver for Modern Warfare 2. 4.1.1 Google, then download NVIDIA 522.25 graphics card driver. 4.1.2 download. AMD graphics card drivers that was released before October 28, 2022. 5. Uninstall, reinstall then re-update your new COD Modern Warfare 2 app. Like this. 6. Enable VSync or vertical refresh. 6.1 NVIDIA GPU, enable vertical sync. 6.2. AMD GPU, turn on wait for vertical refresh to always on. 7. Run the MW2 game on dedicated GPU, only if you have dual graphics. 7.1 NVIDIA GPU. 7.1.1 Add the game into Managed 3D Settings list. 7.1.2 Allow the app to use your high-performance NVIDIA processor. 7.2 AMD GPU. 7.2.1 Head to AMD Radeon Settings Additional Settings Preferences Power. Now enable Switchable Graphics Application Settings. 7.2.2 Add COD, Modern Warfare 2 into the list. 7.2.3 Choose High Performance from Graphics Settings. 8. Update your game and keep it up to date always. Like this.